analyze COVID-19 data set in India. So these are the packages which we'll be using. This is the data which we are using today, and the data is from this URL. And through this line, we are retrieving the URL, the file. And after this, we can see the data.json, and this is the file. And we are going to open the JSON file. And we need only this part. So what we are going to do is, then we are going to convert it into a CSV file. Then the df of date is date time. Before this line, it's an object. Now after running this line of code, df for data is in the times date time type. So the data contains confirmed, recovered, and decreased. Decreased means the person is dead. So we're going to take only the confirmed part of the data. And we are going to drop the status, and we are going to make the column date as the index for this data set, and then we are going to completely change this to numbers and take the last 7 days. Now we are going to apply gradient in the background. So as we see, darker the color, more the number. In Andaman Nicobar Islands it's decreasing, Assam it's decreasing, Tamil Nadu it's increasing, and this will highlight the maximum in the columns. Since we don't need zeros, we are going to drop TD, LD, and UN. So we are dropping it along the column. Now when we highlight the maximum, we don't have zeros here. Then we are going to apply gradient along the rows. So the colors, the more affected is the states. Tamil Nadu, TT, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka are affected. So when we plot the graph, you can see that the cases are decreasing than the previous. That's a good sign. Thank you.